After Owaisi claims police checkpost built on Waqf land, police sources have revealed that some people from the Muslim community are saying that the land on which the police post is being built in front of the Shahi Jama Masjid belongs to the Waqf board. But till now, no one has come and shown any documents or proof. Only verbal talks are being floated and only claims are being made. Now, viewers, remember, this comes after police checkposts, multiple of them, are being set up across the Sambhal district in the administration's effort to beef up the security following the 24th November violence, which also claimed the lives of 4 people and came after a court-ordered survey of the Shahi Jama Masjid. Listen to this.
The governments have never ensured that where you have higher number of Muslims living in that place or locality or area, the government have failed to provide public services. For example, hospitals, schools, colleges. Now a recent study has been done by Mr. Paul Novosad of Dartmouth College, MIT, which clearly shows that amount of discrimination the governments have shown, especially the BJP government, in not providing public services. If you have the wherewithal to construct a police outpost right opposite the Sambhal historical masjid, why can't you construct schools, colleges, hospitals in Sambhal? It is a known fact that the dropout rate is the highest among Muslim women. It is a known fact that low literacy rates prevail among the Muslims. It is a known fact that you have the lowest number of graduates in the Muslim community. There are various medical issues. So why isn't the BJP government of Uttar Pradesh interested in solving these problems so that what they claim that they want a Viksit Bharat, okay, if you want a Viksit Bharat, why don't you provide all these services? But you are having a communal mindset and you are strengthening that communal mindset by creating a suspicion that no, these Muslims areas have to be monitored by CCTV, by police outposts. But what about the killings of those 5 innocent Muslims? Who's responsible for that? So this creation of police outposts is nothing but strengthening suspicion among the Muslims, creating a hate atmosphere of Muslims. That is what, unfortunately, the Uttar Pradesh BJP government is doing, which I condemn it.
Viewers, in another breaking news, in fact refuting Owaisi's claims, Sambhal District Magistrate spoke exclusively to your channel Republic on the construction of police posts. He said, and I quote, that administration is investigating the matter and no illegal document has been recovered so far in the case of police posts construction. This comes after Asauddin Owaisi's claims that police post is being constructed on Waqf land. Some people from the Muslim community in Sambhal have made such claims, but the DM, while speaking to your channel, has refuted the claims. Listen to this.
सत्यव्रत पुलिस चौकी के विषय में जो भी दस्तावेज हमारे पास आए हैं उसमें कोई भी प्रभावी या विधिक पक्षकार अभी तक हमारे पास नहीं आए हैं और जिस दस्तावेज की बात कर रहे हैं वो अनरजिस्टर्ड है, असत्यापित है। तो इस विषय में हम और भी जांच कर रहे हैं, लेकिन प्रारंभिक जांच में इस तरह की कोई चीज़ निकल के नहीं आई है। जो हमारी टीम है वो जांच कर रही है, उसमें जो हिंदू पक्ष है, मुस्लिम पक्ष का है और एएसआई है, तीनों को लेकर के हमारी जांच जारी है। हम तो स्वागत कर रहे हैं। कल भी हमने जो डॉक्यूमेंट दिखाए उनका वेरिफिकेशन कल भी करवाया था। आज जब दिखाए तो आज 2 वकील साहब लोग आए थे तो उनसे भी हमने सारे डॉक्यूमेंट चेक किए। तो जो भी दस्तावेज लेके आता है, यदि उसका लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट है तो उनको हम देखेंगे और उसके अनुसार विधिक कार्रवाई करेंगे।